Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have wondered whether you can use a restaurant gift card on Doordash, you are not alone. And today we are breaking it all down for you. So let's get straight into it. For this, first open the Doordash app and head over to the Doordash website. Next, sign into your account or create one if you are new. Once you are in, search for the restaurant your gift card is for. Find it, select it, and start building your order and all your favorite items to your cart just like you normally would. When you are ready, go to checkout page, scroll down to the payment option and look for add gift card. Tap on that and now you will enter the restaurant gift card number and PIN if it has one. Once you do that, the gift card balance will be added to your account and automatically applied to your card holder. But here's something important. Doordash restaurants accept gift cards, especially third-party ones. So make sure the restaurant you are ordering from actually allows gift card used through Doordash before placing the order. Also check the fine print. Some restaurant gift cards have specific rules or limitations when it comes to using them through delivery services like Doordash. And that's it. Pretty simple, right? Let us know in the comments if you have tried this before or if you ran into any issues. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss more quick tips like this one. Thank you for watching and happy ordering.